Adding mixed numbers is actually nicer than multiplying mixed numbers because we don't have to go through the step of changing it into an improper fraction. We can just add them as mixed numbers as long as we watch out for carrying. And we'll take a look at what that looks like in this problem here. Let's add 5 4/5 plus 7 3/10. Now, we've seen addition before where we have to stack the numbers on top of each other. We're going to do just that. 5 4/5 plus 7 3/10. Now, in order to add fractions, we know we need a common denominator. With 4/5 and 3/10, that common denominator is going to be 10. So the first fraction needs to be multiplied by 2/2 to give us 8/10 plus 3/10. Now, we can add the fractions 8/10 plus 3/10 to get 11/10. That's not a problem. And we can also add 5 plus 7 to get 12. But what I want to notice is that fraction we ended up with is an improper fraction because we've got one whole along with one extra tenth, which means I'm going to add 12 plus 1/10 to get 13 and 1/10 for our final solution. So by watching out for that carrying at the end, do we have to add one extra to the whole? Other than that, it's just straightforward addition of fractions and whole numbers. Let's try 13 3/4 plus 29 5/6. Again, I'll write them vertically. 13 3/4 plus 29 5/6. Looking at the fraction part, 4 and 6 both go into 12. So 12 is my common denominator, multiplying my first fraction by 3/3 to get 9/12, and my second fraction by 2/2 to get 10/12. And so we can add 9 plus 10 is 19/12. And then we can add 3 plus 9 is 12, carry the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. And we have 42 19/12. But be careful, 19/12 in this case is an improper fraction. That's 1 7/12. So we're going to add 42 plus 1 to get our final answer of 43 7/12. So adding mixed numbers, we'll add the fractions, we'll add the whole numbers, and then just watch out for the carrying if that fraction ends up being greater than 1.